Most people spend 40 years working for a paycheck, but you can build a life-changing income in less than 5. Imagine waking up on the first of the month and seeing thousands of dollars in rent deposited into your account before you even get out of bed. This isn't a dream, it is the result of a calculated strategy that replaces your active salary with passive rental cash flow. The biggest mistake beginners make is thinking they need to pay off their houses before they can retire. By using smart leverage and DSCR loans, you can acquire multiple properties that each contribute to your monthly freedom number. Once your total rental profit exceeds your monthly expenses, your job officially becomes optional. It is about focusing on high-yielding markets where the rent-to-price ratio allows you to pocket hundreds of dollars per door. When you control a portfolio of 10 to 15 well-managed units, you are no longer a worker, you are a business owner. Visit the link in the description to see how we can help you finance the properties that will eventually fund your retirement.